Everybody, Charles Brandon from BoxingFitnessFactory.com. Today I want to talk about a lot of people have been saying that the way to beat the Philly shoulder roll, to beat Mayweather is to beat up on his shoulder as he turns, but that's false. I've heard a lot of old school people say that that's false because they don't understand. Look, the whole thing of the shell is as he's turning, the punch comes, he's not just taking the impact, he's coming and taking the impact and the impact gliding off. Haven't you ever seen when Tony do that? All these guys are like falling into it and that's when they come with his counter. The reason being is because they're not giving him a shoulder. He's not just stopping and I'm running right into his shoulder. Okay? Another notion is, even if he was, the back of the shoulder and the back is very, very tough and hard. I mean, it's hard than, you can absorb more than just a standard punch. I mean, he's a little kid, and if I throw my punch hard and he rolls it, it doesn't affect him. I can throw as hard as I want. But he's taking the impact, it's gliding, and it's coming off. So this notion that you're going to beat, you're going to go to MGM Grand and come out with a win on Mayweather because you're beating up on his shoulders, that's what he wants you to do. That's what he wants you to try. Subscribe to me at Boxing Fit Factory on YouTube. The website is BoxingFitnessFactory.com.